Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two popular hard drives, Toshiba and WD Blue. Make sure to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. If you're looking for an affordable hard drive option, Toshiba is the clear winner with a price of $31. However, if you're willing to spend a bit more, WD Blue's reliability and quality may be worth the extra $18. When it comes to storage capacity, WD Blue takes the lead with up to 8 terabytes available. Toshiba's 1 terabyte may not be enough for those with larger storage needs. Both hard drives have a rotation speed of 5400 RPM, but WD Blue comes out on top with a larger 64 megabytes buffer for faster data transfer. Toshiba's hard drive is backed by a 3-year warranty, while WD Blue only offers a 2-year limited warranty. Toshiba's hard drive is specifically designed for PS3, PS4 game console replacement or upgrade, and comes with installation and firmware download instructions. WD Blue, on the other hand, is designed for reliable everyday computing. WD Blue offers a free cloning software, Acronis True Image WD Edition, for easy data transfer, while Toshiba does not provide any additional software. Thanks for watching our comparison of Toshiba and WD Blue hard drives. Both have unique advantages, and it's up to you to decide which one is best for your needs. Don't forget to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.